In 1935, the Hoover Dam was completed, a marvel of engineering that tamed the Colorado River. But did you know it was once a site of a mysterious disappearance? During construction, a worker named Joe vanished without a trace. Rumors swirled about secret tunnels and hidden treasures. Some claimed Joe found a passage to an underground city. The dam, now a symbol of power, holds secrets beneath its concrete. Could there be more to its story than meets the eye? The Hoover Dam continues to generate electricity, but its mysteries remain unsolved.